Hello and welcome back to Craftora. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make this beautiful, tiny, antique looking wine glass from waste color bottle. So let's get started. First, we need a molded clay packet. I will use this type of color bottles when it is empty, then clean it with water and use it like this. We need a used pencil. You can use pen instead. Then take a bottle and take some clay, roll it like this. Now cover the bottles this part from the clay. We have to cover this part of bottle like this. Just press it. I have covered this part of bottle. Now I will use this tool to make some designs over here. Whatever tools I'm using in this video, I have given a purchase link in the description so that you can purchase. I'm making some normal designs with the help of this tool. You can make according to yourself. Here I'm making some tiny holes from the help of this tool. We need a very short length of pencil so that we have to cut this. Be careful while cutting this. Then take a piece of paper and make a ball of clay like this. Then just press the clay like this. We have to make a basic flat shape. Then take the pencil and fix it here. Now press it. We have to make the basic shape. Now making some basic designs from the help of this tool. You can make the designs according to yourself. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. And if you want me to make craft of your own choice, then just write it down below. I would love to make for you. So have you ever tried something like this before from clay? Just tell me in the comment section below. I will take a ball of clay and fix it here. Now just press this. So both objects are completely dry. I'm gonna color it with green acrylic color. So here we have green acrylic color. I will color the designed part from the green acrylic color like this. So these are completely dry. I'm using this golden metallic colors to make them antique. Just take a little bit of color and brush and rub it at a flat surface like this. You have to take just little bit of color and brush. You don't have to use lots of color. We have to give a light shade of golden color to the design like this. You have to just highlight the design little by little with the color. Let me remind you that you don't have to go without subscribing my channel. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So now these objects are completely dry. You can see the results. So now it's time to fix them together. I'm using fevicryl or any super glue to make a good joint. Fevikwik really makes a good joint, so that I'm using Fevikwik. So our tiny antique looking wine glasses are now ready. As you can see, they are looking beautiful. If you like the video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions and suggestions about my craft or my content, so please tell me in the comment section below. I would love to know from you guys. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.